This lesson, we're going to be comparing different types of fractions. So we're going to understand what the denominator does to the fraction, particularly when we're comparing fractions, okay? So particularly when we're comparing fractions. Understand what the denominator does, particularly when comparing fractions. Remember, this is video, so you can just pause it and write this down, title, learning goal, and the date when you're completing this. Let's go. All right, which is bigger, 1/5 or 1/4? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my best to draw two circles. Okay, and well, I'll do this. Here are two circles that are exactly the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to split them up. The first one into fifths, all right? Well, the second one's a quarter, so that's really easy. That's into quarters, okay? The second one into fifths is going to be a bit more trickier, but let's see how we go. No, that's quarters. All right. That's into fifths. So what do you think it's bigger? If this was a pizza, which one would be the bigger slice? This one or this one? A lot of you are saying the purple, and you would be right. So what does the bottom do? What does this do? It splits the pizza into 4 bits. This one split the pizza into 5 bits. So the same pizza now has smaller slices in this one, okay, in the one that went into fifths. So 1/5 is definitely smaller than 1/4, all right, definitely smaller. So remember, with these symbols, the crocodile always eats the bigger one. So which one's the bigger one? Well, clearly I can see that the purple one is the bigger one, so I'm going to put my crocodile symbol there. Okay. So bigger the number in the bottom, the more pizza slices that we've cut it into it. So this next one, say I use my pizza slices again. How many pieces do I have to cut this one into? All right. Actually, that one I've got negatives. I'm going to rub those negatives out. Forget that negative for the moment. Let's just do 1/5, all right? Which one is bigger? Which one's it's going to chop it up into 5 slices like the first one? Okay, they're really bad slices. But what's this next one I'm going to do is going to chop it into 10 slices. So we're going to have 10 slices in here. So what would you rather eat? Well, not what you rather. If you wanted to eat more, would you rather have 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 10? Well, 1 out of 5 is way bigger. So remember, the crocodile eats the bigger one. So we'll do that there. All right, see if you do. So the bottom number tells you how big the slices are. The bigger the number, the smaller the slice. All right? So that means that for this one, this will be bigger because these slices are bigger than these slices. So 4 slices out of 5 is way more than 4 slices out of 7. What about negative numbers? Negative numbers works in reverse. I'm going to let you see how you're going. But I'm going to give you the answer as well, all right? Because if we do a number line, here is 0, here is -1. The bigger numbers are down this way. And these are the smaller numbers. Okay? If this is a half, -1/2, -1/4 will be here, all right? Now, what about -1/5? Well, negative a fifth will be here. Will be even smaller here. All right, so in this case, it's an actual bigger number because it's closer to this side. So that's the bigger number. All right, that's the end of which is bigger. I'm just going to quickly do a tutorial. No, I'll do this later. Peace out.